Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on AliExpress. Alright, let's begin. First, open your AliExpress account and go to the Payments section. Here, you can manage different payment methods for future purchases. Tap Add New Card and enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You will see Visa as one of the available options, meaning the platform accepts it as a payment method. Next, browse for the product you want to buy and add it to your cart. Once you are ready, proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, select your Visa gift card from the list of saved payment methods. After confirming the details, click Place Order to finalize your purchase. Once the payment is processed, you will receive an order confirmation and your item will be shipped. So that's basically how you can use a Visa gift card on AliExpress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.